go walking around to meet all the different people in our neighborhood.
That's right. We're going to learn all about the jobs they do each day.
Come on, let's go. What job should we learn about first?
Scientists. Scientists do experiments and tap around to explore the lab. That's where the scientist works. Scientists use microscopes to see things that are really small. Let's look closely at the slides. Neato! Look at all the detail. Okay, now let's sort the slides by color. Which color box should this slide go into?
Veterinarians help take care of animals' teeth, too. Let's get these choppers nice and clean. Make sure to get all over. Oh yeah, over there. Must have been a big meal. It's important for everyone to have... Nice kitty. Oh, Elmo loves puppies. Veterinarians give animals checkups to make sure they are healthy. The stethoscope lets you listen to the animal's heart. The scale tells you how much the animal weighs. The otoscope lets you check the animal's ears.
What job should we try next?
Veterinarian.
What job should we try next?
Firefighter. Firefighters help your neighborhood when there's a cat around to explore the fire station.
Some firefighters sleep in the firehouse. Look,
Firefighters use water to put out fires. Let's practice using a fire hose. When the targets pop up, move the hose to spray water at them. We did it! We got all the targets! Firefighters wear special uniforms to protect them in a fire. Let's help them get dressed. Jacket! Well, you can stomp through anything with those. Now you're ready to fight some fires. Now you're a junior firefighter. Fire hose practice.
What job should we try next?
like you were growing colors.
That's right, Grover. And we're going to eat the colors we grow at a community picnic. Eating fruits and vegetables in all different colors helps.
Well, then I, your adorable gardener Grover, am going to grow a color that we do not...
Muy bien! Follow me! And here is the storage shed. Let's pick your seeds.
Okay.
We're already growing green broccoli, orange oranges, red tomatoes, and purple eggplant. We need to grow something that's white. Tap on a seed packet that is white. Muy bien! That seed packet is for yummy white cauliflower. That's the color that we're missing. Now we can eat all of our colors at the picnic.
Oh, I am so happy. We can finally plant our seeds. Let us grow. That is a garden joke. This is our plot. Rosita told me that to plant our seeds, we must first dig a hole. How do we do that? I know. To dig a hole, we need a shovel. Tap on it. Now, move your shovel back and forth. Oh, yes, you did. Super! You have dug a hole. I have consulted my gardening book, and I know that next we must sprinkle the seeds into the hole. Now, move your seed packet. That is it. You are sprinkling. You have sprinkled all of the seeds. Good gardening. Now we'll just cover the seeds with some dirt and there. Now we must give our seeds some water. The watering can. The watering can. The watering can. The watering can. The seed packet. Now, move your watering can back and forth. Terrific! You have finished watering the seeds. You know, you are quite good at this. We are all done planting the seeds. Now, with a bit of sun, a bit of time, and lots and lots and lots of love, they will grow into ripe and scrumptious white cauliflower. Goodbye, seeds. I will be here again tomorrow. Welcome back to the garden. Our seeds have grown into beautiful plants. And look, delicious white cauliflower. It is time to bring the food to the community picnic. Please help me put each vegetable into my trusty pail. Tap on a vegetable to put it in the pail. You did it! You put all the food in the pail. Thank you for your help. Now it is time for the picnic. Hold on, everybody! We are coming! Hello, fellow gardeners. We have brought white cauliflower.
Fantastico! Now we can eat all of our colors. Gracias, Grover. You've completed our picnic. Now it's healthy and delicious.
Oh, I am so touched. Thank you, my gardening friend. We did it together. Oh, this is so good.
Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie. You did it! Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie, but watch out for stuff in the way. Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie, but watch out for stuff in the way. You did it! Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie, but watch out for stuff in the way. You did it! Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie, but watch out for stuff in the way. You did it! Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie. You did it! Draw a path from Rubber Ducky to Ernie, but watch out for stuff in the way.